I'm envisioning like 7 blooper reels.
And rolling. Action.
Okay, so did you pre-medicate today?
With Viagra?
Can we do that again? I wasn't prepared. Okay.
Was that creepy enough?
And action.
You know what? I'll just use these to spit into because I'm gonna tell you something. The water is just perfect.
I'll tell you something. I'm sorry, I didn't expect it.
Oh, no X-rays. Don't look at me. I looked at her.
Don't.
Sorry. I'm good. Okay.
Action.
No X-rays.
Get those on. They are actually hard.
Yeah.
They're hard as heck.
Yes, they are.
You don't want dentures.
I hope my daughter has eyebrows like I'm sorry.
Perfect.
No, I need the suction.
Where's this? Like her.
Thank you.
Was it lobster? Just kidding.
With extra butter!
Can we do it like that, please? And
Now, hold on a second.
action.
That mouthwash in the bathroom tastes awful.
We don't have mouthwash in the bathroom. It's hand sanitizer.
Oh, that explains a lot. Drink the water. Don't. Oh.
That was good.
My goggles even got foggy. You could tell I was breathing. Okay, time for X-rays. Sorry.
No changes in health history.
Oh, okay. Is that alright?
Yeah.